Gaming. Gaming is a very good platform for anybody who loves to play games, who loves to stream games. Now, the only objective for anybody is how to do this kind of streaming, what other people do on YouTube, and what kind of games to choose and all. So, with that regard, I'm making this blog to tell you you need only three basic things to do any kind of game streaming, and also you need to start and then grow up and then keep on adding the infrastructure to the setup to increase the consistency and other things. Otherwise you don't need that. But before to that, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Siddharth, welcoming you all to Siddharth World, and this is my channel where I do a lot of blogs and a lot of stories. In my upcoming video I'm going to tell you about what are the new programs that I have planned and in what way I have planned, and that is going to be a intro to everybody and anybody. But in this blog I'm just going to talk about game streaming. But before to that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. If you have already subscribed, please do not press it at the end, but refer to others to subscribe to my channel. Let's begin this talk and let's continue in our process of understanding how the streaming works. So in order to start game streaming, first thing, you need to have a YouTube channel. Don't worry about subscribers and numbers. You don't have anything, how will you do and all that. You're just starting. You will have to start. So start with a channel specifically for gaming. Then start playing some games. If you are most of you are Windows 10 users, if you are Windows 10 users, you have lot many games options to download from Microsoft Store and you can play. Or if you are a mobile user, you can still do that. You can download games from Android Play Store, Google Play Store. You can play. If you are an iOS user, you can still play some games on iOS. Rather iOS I don't know very much, so I will not. After I do a research I will tell you. But otherwise you can do pretty much anything with a mobile or with a laptop or anything, but you don't need to buy all the setup. That is an upcoming question, I'll tell you. So any game you need to play, you can play. The only thing is, first requirement, you will have to have a channel. Then you can start playing some games, and that's how your journey begins as a gaming channel in YouTube, and the community starts appreciating that. Now, the second most important thing is what kind of software or what kind of setup you need. You don't need anything. If you're recording your screen on your mobile, you just need a piece of software. I'm going to list you a couple of software for PC as well as for laptop, and those setups will help you in understanding what works, what does not work. Okay, let's listen to the next part. Okay, in the first part, you came to know what you need. You need a gaming channel, or you need just a YouTube channel to do any kind of thing, whether it is game streaming, whatever it is. Now, what are the piece of software that you need? First thing, if you're doing through mobile, you just need ApowerSoft, a mobile software that you will get it on the Play Store. I will link it in the description. You can download that and you can play it out. You can download that and you can record your screen, and once your game is over, once your recording is over, you can stop that, and then that's it. That is one part. Now the second part comes is, you can use another piece of software called Prism Live. Prism Live gives you the opportunity to go live through your mobile phone. You can go live on your mobile phone and then you can start playing the game. That is also well and good. You can still stream to YouTube and you can still play the game. This is about mobile. Now coming into PCs and laptop, you can use Prism Live in PC also, but most of the gamer most of the gaming channel, they use OBS Studio. OBS Studio basically because OBS Studio is free. Second thing, you can stream, you can have multiple players, multiple streams, everything set up. Don't worry, I will make a tutorial. I'll tell you how to add and how to project the screen, but at present I'll just tell you about this piece of software. There is one more piece of software called Streamlab OBS. Now Streamlab OBS is available for mobile also as well as for desktop also. So laptop, desktop you're using, you can use that, and you can use mobile also. Now what happens is in Streamlab OBS you can read your super chat or live chat, you can add your donation box, you can do all kinds of things. Whereas in OBS you cannot add live chat because there is no integration option and all. So OBS is like a simple one where you can just capture your screen, you can send it, and you can, if you want, you can display your YouTube super chat. But Streamlabs OBS is a bit more advanced, but it's based on OBS only. So that is one thing. So now this ends the third part of that. Like you came to know about the channel, you came to know about this. The last part we will talk about two things: game and what is necessary. Okay, now coming into the final and the last thing, the only thing that you need is a commitment. The only thing you need is to have a game to play and stream. Now, there might be few questions in your mind. Let me answer one by one. First question: Sid, I don't have an expensive setup. How do I do? I have already told you. You can use it. You can use your mobile and you can play the game. You can upload. Second, if you have a laptop, you can play. Now, if you cannot stream live because of internet restriction or anything, you can do one thing is you can reduce on the quality, play the game, or play in a high quality like 720p or 1080p, play the game, record the screen, then chop that video into parts. Say for example, in one game you are playing 4 levels. So each level you divide it into one part. So what happened? Game started, level 1 ended, level 2 started, level 3 started, level 4 started. So now use a simple mobile editor or any kind of free editor, chop that. Chop that. Basically, level 1 finished, cut. And then that becomes one game. So you played 4 games. So you play one game, edit and put it. You see where whichever parts you don't need, cut that and then reduce on the quality a bit and then put it. Even 480 you can upload, no problem. 480 also sufficient. Put that, then you can understand that. Else you don't have anything to edit. Just simple thing. Play one level, record only one level, and then straight away upload that level. Raw footage also sometimes works more better rather than making minor edits, putting here and there. Eventually on a weekend you can record those things and you can upload it. That will make an even better thing for you. Now for that, the myth is you don't need any expensive setup. You just have to be committed to yourself and to your work and to your gaming, and you will have to do. If you cannot do daily, no worry, schedule it. If you miss the schedule, say today you cannot play, tell the viewers on your community page, on your social media channel, sorry, today I cannot play because of so and so reason, so excuses, next stream we will do on this date. Push that date, but at least be touch and be connected. That's how you will get it benefited, that's how you will get it attached. The last thing, always remember, if you cannot, no hard and fast rule, no force. You can take your time. Initially it might be difficult, but later part you will automatically grow. So always remember to acknowledge the thing that whether you can do it or you cannot do it. If you cannot do it, tell it beforehand so that nobody waits for you. With that in mind, I thank you all for watching this blog and watching this channel. Keep your blessings to me on my channel, and keep subscribing to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I do such kinds of videos, and yes, I'm going to do an introduction video to the new source that is coming onto this channel, and then I'm going to upload that as a channel intro. And please do watch that and understand that how it works and what kind of source we are planning, how it is planning. Everything I am going to tell you, and this is going to be exclusive, and it is going to be planned properly and every day. So keep watching, keep liking, and keep checking, and keep playing games. Thank you very much. Always remember one thing: subscriber is first. So first play the game, get good hands, get good confidence, then focus on subscriber, because people will automatically come if your work is better. So always remain focused on your work rather than focusing on numbers which is not in your control. Use something that is in your control and play the game. That's all for today's blog. Thank you very much, and see you next in the new intro series of this blog.